Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video I will give top 5 best animation live wallpaper for iPhone. They will explain how to make video to live wallpaper on iPhone. It's a very simple process you can do easily. First, download animation video. Link in the video description. Visit link and downloaded all video clips. Loaded video clips, open your app store on iPhone. Then tap on search value and type video to live app. Then tap on app and install app on your iPhone. Then open Video to Live app. Then tap on Video and Live Photo. Then tap on Select More Photo. Then select the videos you are downloading. Then tap on Video and click on Next option. Now tap on Video Layout. Then cut the video clips only 3 seconds. Then tap on Make. Then tap on Live Photo. Your live wallpaper is ready for set. Then enable live wallpaper option. Then tap on Add.